Pursuing unity is not just something we pray and hope for. It's a call to action.
The reason we are out here is because we want to be about solutions rather than just complaining about problems.
They believe in the mission of Pursue Scholars. I really love the fact that they're investing in youth for the purpose of seeing a unified front across our city.
This fundraiser is especially important because it's helping to ensure that the next generation of leaders has everything that they need to make sure that they are fully equipped and that they have a good support system.
Walk for the person you don't know. Walk for the community you don't know, you don't see, you don't drive through every day. That's what's going to make a difference. That's what Pursuing Unity is all about.